This is a screwdriver. これはスクルードライバーです。It's green. It's a nice green. I only like certain shades of green. This is like an emerald green, like the Wizard of Oz city. Emerald's alright, but there's certain shades of green I can't stand. I like more natural greens like this one. This shirt underneath. It's my nipple right there. Yeah, it's a star-headed one. It hasn't been stripped or anything, so you can still use it. It's good. Just right here. Well, it fits. It fits. That's good size. Yeah, look at that. That's good. Got it out, clean it perfect. Good shit. I'll just put it back in and do the exact same job. Huh. Good shit. Good shit. It's Stanley. It's an old one though. So it's let's say it's about 20 years old. Maybe 80. I don't know. You had a movie Step Brothers with Will Ferrell and John C. Reilly. I remember watching that when I was younger and it was really funny. But I saw it like a month ago or something. And I saw a bit of it on TV and I didn't laugh at any of it. Pretty disappointing. But yeah, back to the screwdriver. It's got a little bit of rust on it. But you know, that's not a lot of rust for an 80-year-old screwdriver. Assuming it is 80 years old, which we'll just do anyway. Even though they probably couldn't build it. Yep, you can kill someone with that. No doubt.
Now that's a lot of damage!
That was hard enough, I could almost see Jesus. Almost. Just a glimpse. Oh. Yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. It's good. Good screwdriver. Piece of shit. Talk about writer's block. Can't put an idea for a video, so I just talk about that screwdriver. What's wrong with me? Look at this dirt! It's good. I like it. Oh. A bit better. Nice. Good shit. You know. Thanks for watching. You know, get thumbnail shot or something. Sexy. Sexy.